Hi guys, and welcome back to Top Tech Picks. Choosing the right dash cam can be tricky. There are so many options out there, and not all of them give you the protection and features you really need. That's why we've done the homework for you. We've compared performance, ease of use, image quality, and overall value so you don't have to spend hours digging through reviews. In this video, we're breaking down the best 360-degree dash cams to buy this year. Whether you drive for rideshare, take long road trips, or just want peace of mind for daily commutes, these picks have something for everyone. All the products we talk about today are linked down in the description to make it simple for you to check them out. So, if you're ready, let's get started. First up on our list is the Lanto DC21 360-degree 4-channel dash cam, our choice for the best dash cam for rideshare drivers and families. The Lanto DC21 gives you true 4-camera, full 360-degree coverage, front, rear, and 2 cabin views, so you can watch the road and everything inside the car. The rotating cabin and rear camera is the standout. You can point it to capture kids, pets, or a difficult angle inside the cabin, which is especially useful for rideshare drivers or busy families. All 4 channels record in crisp 1080 pixels, and the unit supports loop recording, parking monitoring, and juice sensor incident locking, so important clips are saved automatically. Installation is straightforward, and it includes a 128GB memory card, which is pre-installed. And the companion app makes playback and exporting clips quick, which is handy when you need evidence fast. If you want an affordable system that protects both vehicles and passengers, including a whole family, the Lanto DC21 is built with that exact use case in mind: reliable coverage without complexity. Next, we have the Vantrue N5S 3-channel dash cam, our choice for the best 360-degree dash cam with super night vision. The Vantrue N5S is focused on nighttime clarity. It uses advanced Sony Starvis sensors and high dynamic range processing to cut noise and keep colors readable in low light. With 3 channels covering front, rear, and cabin, it gives near 360 situational awareness while prioritizing superb night footage for roadways and interior events. The waterproof rear camera and higher resolution rear or cabin sensors help capture plate-level detail when it matters, and built-in GPS stamps location and speed on recordings for stronger evidence. You also get parking mode and reliable loop recording, plus easy playback via the app or onboard screen. For anyone who spends a lot of driving hours after dark, ride-hailing drivers, night shift commuters, or people in dimly lit neighborhoods, the Vantrue N5S is tuned to deliver the clearest nighttime results. Next on our list is the Neideso N5S 4-channel dash cam, our pick for the best value for money 360-degree dash cam. The Neideso N5 gives genuinely full 4-camera coverage at a price that won't break the bank. It ships with a bright 3-inch IPS screen for setup and instant playback, a 4-camera layout that covers front, rear, and both sides, and flexible resolution modes that mix high detail for the front with efficient files on the side cameras. The N5 includes 5 GHz Wi-Fi for faster transfers to your phone, app control for quick clip downloads, and essential features like loop recording, G-sensor locking, and parking mode. In practice, you get clear daytime and competent night footage, very usable driver-facing views, and a package that's easy to install. It includes a 128GB memory card, which is pre-installed and supports up to 256GB. If your priority is full 360 protection while keeping costs down, the Neideso N5 strikes a strong balance of features and value. Before we move on, you may notice that we don't include the exact price of the products mentioned in this video. That's because prices of these 360-degree dash cams change frequently with sales and general price drops. So, if you want the most up-to-date pricing, be sure to check out the links in the description below. Moving on, we have the Neideso N300 4-channel dash cam, our choice for the best budget dash cam with easy setup. The Neideso N300 is designed for buyers who want full 360 coverage with minimum fuss. Typical bundles include a front 2K camera plus 3 1080 pixels cameras, and many packages come with a 64GB memory card, so you can start recording immediately. The physical installation uses simple adhesive mounts and a tidy wiring path, and the software side keeps things basic: voice control, GPS tagging, and a reliable 24-hour parking mode without an overload of settings. The GPS tracking performs well and can be viewed on the app and desktop. It's a great budget option with clear capturing of license plates, which is crucial in terms of incidents. It's good for fleet vehicles or anyone who wants the protection of 4 cameras but prefers a plug-and-play experience. For straightforward, no-nonsense 360 monitoring at a budget price, the Neideso N300 gets the job done. Finally, we have the Vantrue N5S 4-channel dash cam, our choice for the best overall 360-degree dash cam with premium features. The Vantrue N5S bundles premium sensors and connectivity into a 4-camera setup. Starvis 2 sensors across multiple lenses for strong low-light performance, a high-resolution front channel for extra detail, and flexible recording modes so you can run 1 to 4 channels as needed. It also offers advanced features like buffered pre-recording to capture the seconds before an event, built-in GPS for location, and speed stamps, fast 5 GHz Wi-Fi for transfers, and optional LTE cloud connectivity for remote alerts and uploads. It has voice control, which is useful for contactless operation, with robust parking monitoring modes, collision detection, large microSD support of up to 512 GB, and a user-friendly app straight out of the package. If you want near-complete coverage with pro-level recording, quick access to footage, and the convenience of connected monitoring, the Vantrue N5S is the high-end all-rounder. Make sure to check the description for links to all the 360-degree dash cams we mentioned in this video, which will give you the best discounts. To see the best mirror dash cams of this year, click on this video. And if you learned anything on this one, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Top Tech Picks. Drop your comment below, and thank you for watching.